You're watching EpicTV. My name is Noel, and this is the Daily Blizzard. The road to Sochi is truly underway. This weekend in Copper Mountain in Colorado, seen the Grand Prix happen. In halfpipe women's, Kelly Clark took the win, and in men's, it was Tyler Gold. And then we go from halfpipe, we go into slopestyle. In women's, it was Sarka Pankachova. I really hope I said that right, from the Czech Republic. And in the men's, it was a Norwegian win with Stale Sandbach. And now we give you the team edit from Lib Tech. This thing is just a joy to watch. This team includes Jamie Lynn, Travis Rice, and we've got Eric Jackson's section. Now it's Slam of the Week time. We've got a guy in a red outfit, so it's kind of like Santa, just slamming himself badly.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
And it's nearly Christmas time, and if you haven't got anything for that special lady in your life, we're going to go back to Billabong for our advent calendar, and we've got the Jamie Anderson Pro Model jacket.
So, hey, I'm David Peachy. I work at Billabong, and I'm going to talk to you about the Jamie Anderson jacket. They want you designed the most for the park, for park riding, so it's made for spring days and warm days. It has a few snowboarding features like the chest pocket, and it's a 10K breathability and waterproofness. And this is what she's going to be wearing in Russia.
Thank you, David, and thank you for watching. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. And before we go, we got to do something festive. So here's a 2 trick from a Santa. This came from Beer Mountain.